Hey everyone, welcome back to djay Tech. If you're looking to dive headfirst into the world of DJing, host unforgettable house parties, or upgrade your portable setup with cutting-edge software features, this feature-packed gear deserves your full attention. Today, we're taking a comprehensive look at the Numark Party Mix III Bluetooth DJ controller. Right off the bat, the absolute standout feature of the Party Mix III is its built-in, party-ready atmosphere generator. Located right on the back of the controller are multicolored LED lights that automatically sync and pulse to the beat of your track. They cast a dynamic light show across walls and ceilings, instantly transforming any living room, bedroom, or backyard gathering into a full-fledged dance club without requiring extra lighting rigs or complex setups. On top of that, the addition of built-in Bluetooth connectivity gives you the ultimate freedom to stream audio wirelessly and keep your cable management clean and hassle-free. Despite its compact and ultra-portable footprint, the Party Mix III doesn't compromise on authentic hardware controls. It features a true 2-deck layout equipped with touch-sensitive jog wheels that give you tactile control for precise scratching, track alignment, and pitch bending. Centered between the decks is a full 2-channel DJ mixer section complete with dedicated EQ controls, gain knobs, a smooth crossfader, and master volume adjustments. You also get 16 multi-function performance pads, 8 per deck, allowing you to trigger hot cues, set auto loops, trigger sound effects, and launch samples on the fly. Where this controller truly steps into the next generation is its support for modern, AI-powered DJ software tools. It offers native compatibility with stems control, enabling you to isolate or remove vocals, drum loops, and instrumental elements in real time. This opens up endless creative possibilities for live mashups, instant acapella drops, and custom remixes on the go. To help beginner DJs build confidence quickly, Numark included intuitive mix assist technology like Beat Assist and Smart Fader. Smart Fader automatically adjusts volume, bass levels, and crossfade timing as you move the slider, making transitions between different genres or tempos sound seamless and professionally blended right out of the box. From a connectivity and workflow standpoint, the controller features a modern USB-C interface for reliable data transmission and power delivery. The built-in audio interface includes a 3.5mm main output to connect directly to home speakers or powered monitors, along with a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack for queuing up and auditioning your next track in private. Out of the box, it offers plug-and-play compatibility with industry-leading software like Serato djay Lite and Algoriddim djay across laptop and mobile platforms, giving you direct streaming access to millions of tracks via Tidal, SoundCloud Go Plus, Beatport, and BeatSource. Overall, the Numark Party Mix III Bluetooth stands out as an incredibly fun, versatile, and highly capable DJ controller that perfectly bridges the gap between beginner-friendly automated tools and pro-level creative features. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts or DJ questions in the comments section below, and subscribe to djay Tech for more hands-on audio gear reviews, tech showcases, and gadget tests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.